1-acre high lot located on a point at Lake Istikpoga with canals on two sides. Two-story home with second-floor screened porch and first-floor patio. The home is 6,120 square feet. It has a whole house generator and private well. The primary living quarters are on second level. The living room has vaulted beam ceilings, hardwood floors, and a massive brick gas fireplace. The common areas are open concept with entries to the screen porch from the living room and dining room. The interior staircase goes down to the first floor guest suite and main exterior entrance. Solid wood cabinets, stainless steel appliances, gas cooktop, and electric wall oven. The spacious master bedroom is on the upper floor with lake views. It has two large walk-in closets. In addition to a huge master shower, this bathroom also has double sinks and a soaking tub. Lots of natural light with these great windows. The second bedroom is spacious with vaulted ceilings and large windows. The main entrance to the home is through the screen porch on the north side. It connects to the two-car carport and has views of the West Canal. View from the guest suite entry to the main home entry and lower screen porch. The stairs to the left lead up to the primary living quarters. The interior staircase leads to the second floor primary living area. The first floor entry foyer also has a private door to the guest suite, third bedroom, and family room. The third bedroom is on the first floor. It is a spacious room. The first floor living room to the guest suite or could be used as a family room. The two-car carport is room and could easily be converted to a garage. Weekend home, there is room to leave your boat covered till you return. The carport connects to the screened entry porch. You have your own private boat ramp that enters the side canal by your boat dock. You are the first house to the lake from this side. The boat dock is cement, 34 feet long. It is right next to your private boat ramp. You are the first house to the lake from this side. This is an aerial view of the home with canals on two sides and lake bordering the front canal. You can also notice there is a seawall along the front right. Walk through the house with this 3D tour. https://realityimages.rock/1 Mary Bell Landing Road.